string methods. Translate. Return a copy of the string in which each character has been mapped through the given translation table. The table must be an object that implements indexing via underscore underscore get item underscore underscore method, typically a mapping or sequence. When indexed by a Unicode ordinal, an integer, the table object can do any of the following: return a Unicode ordinal or a string to map the character to one or more other characters, return none to delete the character from the return string, or raise lookup exception to map the character to itself. You can use str.maketrans to create a translation map from character to character mappings in different formats. See also codex module for a more flexible approach to customer character mapping. Maketrans. Okay. Translate example Python. Let's see this example. Use a dictionary with ASCII codes to replace 83S with 80P. My dictionary 8380. txt hello Sam. txt.translate my dictionary. Return hello Pam. Okay. So this is translation table, and this is translate method, actual translation. Okay. So str.toUpper, return a copy of the string with all the cased characters converted to uppercase. Note that s.upper dot is upper might be false if s contains uncased characters, or if the Unicode category of resulting characters is not LU, later uppercase, but example LT, later title case. The uppercasing algorithm used in described in section 3.3 default case folding of the Unicode standard upper. Let me print. So A B C D dot to upper. It will print A B C D all in caps. Zfill. str.zfill width 0 fill. Return a copy of the string left filled with ASCII 0 digit to make a string of length width. A leading sign prefix plus minus is handled by inserting the padding after the sign character rather than before. The original string is returned if width is less than or equal to length s. Zfill 5. Zfill 5. Run. It will fill 3 with 3 zeros to make the width of 5. Then -2 Zfill. -42. Run. Minus sign, then 0042. This is very. Thank you.